What up, gang? I'm about to show you one of the most gangster, it sounds stupid to say that, the most gangster music marketing tips I've ever learned in my life. It got me over 50 million people to hear my music. I'm gonna show you how to do it right now for free. Let's get it. First, I wanna show you what this has actually done for me to show proof that this actually works for you. All right, so first of all, if you look here, look at this, 4.8 million here, and you can see obviously it's promoting my stuff, my face is right there. And then we got another one with 4.3 million views on it, 178,000 likes, almost 1,500 comments. And then we got another one on this page here, it's got 2.5 million, 268,000 likes on it. You gotta imagine, my music is playing in these. Then another one, 10.7 million, 1 million likes. So this could be your sound, this could be your song doing this. And then there's one more thing I actually wanted to show you. Other influencers will start using your sound because it's trending, all right? So if you go here, this guy has 73,000 followers. This girl, 125,000 followers. When you actually start doing this, other people start hearing and seeing your sound. It adds to the amount of times your sound and your song has been used. Other people take it more seriously, and then big influencers start using your sound or your song. That's how it works. You're seeing it right here. And then last thing I want to show you is the residual effects of what happens, how this translates to other platforms, Spotify streams and stuff like that, to prove that this actually works cross-platform. All right, so if we go to my Spotify really quick, you're gonna see Boss Mode Everything has 1.2 million streams on it.
I mean, I'm thinking, damn, he good.
But then look at this, what's being promoted here. 4.3 million views, 178,000 likes, and look at the song, it even says it right there for you. It's Boss Mode Everything. And that's translating to Spotify and to YouTube, where this has over 1 million views on it. Okay, enough of me actually showing you the proof that it works. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it. You can do it in under 2 minutes a day, and all you need is your phone. Let's get it. Now I need you to listen close for me, all right? This is the most important part of making this work for yourself. What we're going to do is find other videos that are already going viral that we can put your song or your sound behind. But the important part is to find content that actually matches your song or your sound. The more cohesive it is, the faster it'll spread. And I know you're smart, but if you're confused at all, let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. In order to promote Boss Mode Everything that has all those streams as you saw, because the song itself has this vibe of winning, of being a champion, we look for videos that had moments of people winning, of people being champions, of successful moments in life where you're like, yes, like Boss Mode Everything.
Boss Mode Everything! Whoa, whoa, yes. Boss Mode Everything! Ay, I swear to God, Boss Mode Everything!
We took all kinds of content and it matches so well that when people see it, they're inspired by it, they like the song, they go listen to the song or the sound. So here's how to do it. Step one, all you gotta do is go to the explore page. You're gonna look for content that matches your song or your sound. If it's a sad song, you're gonna wanna find sad content. If it's an upbeat, if it's a club one, you wanna find that type of content, all right? It's really not that complicated, because what's happening is if you go to the explore page, look at this. This already has all kinds of numbers on them. These things are already doing well. And if you type in, you search for the hashtag, you search for whatever you wanna find that matches your stuff, you're gonna find this content, and all you have to do is put your song behind it, right? So that step one is to find it. Step two is to simply download the video, so now you have the video on your phone. And then guess what? Step three is just add your sound underneath it. And then Reels is gonna make your sound a sound that people can start using. And you can do this on your profile, you can create a new profile. And yes, this works for brand new accounts. This is the stuff that we started testing and it works. And if we go back to that cat video, you'll see it was the 4th video posted on this page. It was a brand new page. Then the next step, which is really important, is you gotta make sure that the profile looks as good as possible, because it'll increase the organic engagement. People liking other videos, people viewing other videos, people following. And then that's gonna do what? It's gonna push all the videos on the page that are doing well to more people. So this is really important. So let me give you an example. What me and my team did is we create side profiles. And because for certain songs, we make certain pages. We got sad pages, we got funny pages, right? So in this circumstance, we made a silly goose page, right? And they're really random funny videos, and they're using my music behind them. Now there's only a few things you have to do for this profile. First of all, if you have a phone number, you can make numerous side accounts. So imagine you have 2-3 side accounts doing this for you, and you're posting 3-4 times a day. You are gonna start getting people to hear your sound, hear your song, whatever you're promoting, all right? Especially if you do what I'm about to tell you. All right, now for step 4. Now, since this is such an insanely good strategy that I'm sharing with you, and I have to show you how to do this anyway, step by step, I'm just gonna show you exactly what I do. And for that reason, I got BoosterBoss.com to be the sponsor of this video. I've been using them for years to do social media tricks, plus there's a bunch of other stuff that people don't know about that this site has. Plus, I love their branding, their commercials are funny. It's just funny, it's fun. And the next thing which is important is to give it social proof. So what we did when we first got this was we actually added 300 followers using BoosterBoss.com, which really I think was like $1. The reason we do this is if somebody already sees other people are following, it gives them more reason for them to follow. And look at this, it's already gained 4,000 followers, and it's only posted probably like 30 videos. And if you look through this, look at the recent videos, you get 20,000 there, 68,000 there, 137,000 there. I mean, All my music. It could be all your music, your sound. For anybody thinking, will this shadow ban me? Will this block me from getting seen? Did it block this page from being seen? No, it grew from the beginning on. All these videos from the beginning did around 7,500, then one did 33,000, and it just kept going, and it just kept going, and then one of them skyrocketed. I wasn't told to say this. They didn't even mention it to me, which is shocking to me. But if you put $5 in, they actually give you $10 if you're a new member on this site, which means you can set up your profiles and still have a ton left to actually go do all the other tricks and stuff on the site that you'll see once you get there are really crazy. Anyway, let's keep going. You can use that to actually completely build out all of these profiles that I'm showing you how to do. And then the last thing here is if you click this link right here, it leads to, oh, look at that, my music video that has 17 million views on it. And this is actually a great example. Do not skip getting the followers on the accounts. And the reason being is, look what happened when I showed you that I have 17 million views on a video. How much more seriously do you take me as an artist when you see 17 million views, right? It's the same thing when people see followers. How seriously do you take me when you see that I'm verified? And then I have 300,000 followers on Instagram. These things add up, and that's why social proof is important, because people will start following the accounts, increasing the engagement, and pushing the videos further into the algorithm. It's all part of the process, my friend. And just so you know, this doesn't only work for me. Other people I've shown this to, I had them send me some screenshots of their insights on their reels. And if you look at this, they're doing numbers too. 119,000, 7,000 likes, comments, another 110,000 here. Another one has oh man, that's 1.5 million. Let me zoom in on that so I can see that's the right number, right? Think about that. This stuff works, not just for me, but when people take my advice and they use it, it works, and it works well. But I also showed him a ton more tricks than I showed in this video, but I can show you that stuff too.